In this video, I will show you how to insert diagonal, upward, left arrow invert document. In the first method, you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes and pick a block arrows upward arrow. And now draw the arrow with the help of mouse and drag it. And now you can rotate from this rotate handle, and with this orange dot you can increase the size of the arrow like this one, drag inside, and with this orange dot you can increase or decrease the width of the arrow like this one. And now head to the shape format and choose the shape styles, which one you like it you can use it. Click on this arrow and select the color of your choice. You can easily move it anywhere on the Word document, and here you can increase or decrease the size of the arrow like this one. So another way is that you need to click on insert and click on the equations. Click on this arrow and click on insert new equation, and equation editor box will be open up, and in the symbols group click on this arrow and click on this arrow and select the arrows, and here you need to find it, and here you can see that you just need to click the insert it, and here it is. Moreover, there is another way. Click on insert, click on the equations, and equation editor box will be open up. Put the backslash, type NWARROW and W arrow and hit the space bar. It will instantly convert to the diagonal upward left arrow. Moreover, another way is that click on insert, click on the symbols, click on more symbols, and in the font section select the normal text, and in the subset you need to select the arrows, and here you need to find it, and here it is. You need to click on that and click insert and close it, and here you can see that. There is another way. If you have a numeric side keypad, you need to hold down the Alt key and press 8, 5, 9, 8 on the numeric side and release the Alt key, and here it is. There is another way. You need to type 2196 and press Alt+X all together, and it will turn into diagonal upward left arrow invert. Another way is that you need to press the window key and semicolon key all together, then emoji panel will open up. You need to click on search and type arrow, and here you need to find it, and here it is. You just need to click on that. So with these methods you can easily insert diagonal upward left arrow invert document. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.